Welcome back everyone. I included this product link in the description for most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Logitech Ergo K860. While it excels at providing an ergonomic design, the Logitech Ergo K860 keyboard can clean up your desk by doing away with clunky USB connection cables. It even offers users the choice between using the keyboard's Bluetooth technology or plugging in the included USB transmitter, powered by a pair of included AAA batteries. This dark gray keyboard can stay online at up to 33 feet. And its row of function keys can be programmed as shortcuts to streamline your workflow. At 18 by 9, 2 by 1, 9 inches, the K860 may overwhelm the typical desk, but its center slopes up. The individual letter keypads are splayed at a comfortable angle, and the keyboard has a split space bar. Even more, the 3-layer padded wrist rest not only gently supports the hand but also reduces painful wrist bending. The entire keyboard can also be angled by 0, -4, and -7 degrees of tilt to promote wrist health. I included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos.